guys, namaste. This is Venus Lata Amita, your digital coach, and welcome back for exciting editing. Today we will learn about
Adding multiple background according to the scenario of your story.
So, are you ready? Without wasting time, I am going to share my screen. Yes, this is our video which we are going to edit, and I have cut out all the unnecessary part from my video, so you can see here some small pieces of videos, which is the part which we will use in our video. Guys, today's session will be very interesting because
We will learn how we can add different background according to the scenario of our story.
so firstly we will learn about how we can change the background. As you know that in our previous session we have learned that how we can remove the single colored background from our video. Now I want to change this background, and this is the scene where this employee is running on a path and he got a call from his friend. So I need a road background for this video. So to get my background, what I will do, I will go to the Google and I will search here for the background image, road background images, like that. I have searched and I get these options here. I will go to the images section and I will scroll and search for the best option for my video. Actually, the person was walking on a village road, so I'm searching for a road look like a village. Or I can add this. Yeah. When I add exact term, I will get the exact image. But in my video, the person is walking horizontally. So I need a horizontal road. Maybe I will get the exact image that I want. Here I got the horizontal road, so I can use this also. This is also a good option, I think. Isn't it? But it's look like some animated image. The previous one was the original. So we can use this. So before download this, you can watch this detail of image. If it is a paid image, then you should not use that image. So guys, while taking the photograph or any background image from Google, you have to check about whether this image is licensable or not. You can see here that this is the licensable, right? Here it is licensable. So you cannot use this image into your video like this. This is also licensable. Whichever is marked as a licensable, you should not use that image. If you click on the licensable image, you will get the information. The source of the image and license detail is also there. But if you click on this image, you did not found any license detail. So you can use this image into your video. So you should aware about the image that should not be licensable while you are using from Google. Okay. While saving your image by using Save As, you should check about the extension of your image. It should be JPG or PNG file. If I take any other image whose extension is not JPG or PNG, like this image, that is web page, this image cannot be used in your video. So be aware about that. Sometimes I put the extension JPG or PNG. If it accept that, then this will save as a JPG file. So we have to check that whether we can use this file or not. And now I will import the media file. Okay, so this will come. Actually, by default, your base video will be there in track number 1, but we have to remove the background and we want to change the background of our video. Then that your background video or image should be at the track number 1. So I have shifted my video to track number 2 or track number 3, and my background image I have dragged and put it here. But you can see that this background image is smaller than my video canvas. So I have to put this image here so that I can change the resolution or change the size of that video. When we move our cursor to this point,
An arrow will appear on both sides, and after that you can click on the left button of mouse and drag the image so the size will be resized.
now this is fit to my video background. So I will again shift at the base layer. So now it looks like that. So looking good. You can drag the image and expand it until the scene ends. In this way, you can change the background of your video. Okay. So my first scene was about the person who was talking to her friend. So the background was different. But the second scene is related to a place where a boy is selling some products to the travelers. So this can be the bus stand scene. So I have downloaded that image from the Google. So select that file and open this. Like previous one, we have to set for his size. Select that corner and drag by using mouse. So you can resize this and you can set it as a background. Now you can move this image to the bottom so it becomes the background. Now you can see that here the first scene has ended and the second scene has started and the background has changed accordingly. Okay, so in such a way, we can change the background according to the scenario of your video. So guys, in this way, you can change multiple background. You can get the background from Google as we did earlier, and you can import that file from the local device and you can use that background like this. I will change the multiple background according to the story's requirement. So that's it for today's session. So in this session, guys, we learn about how to set the background image, how we can use multiple backgrounds in your story. According to the scene, you can change the background as well. That's it for today. Practice for that. And in next session, we will learn about many more effects and transitions and all that. And don't forget about that double roll editing as well. So stay tuned. Thank you.